Hi there, it's me again, Julie. Now I'm gonna show you how to customize the form design in QuickBooks Online. But before that, if it is not asking too much, I would like to encourage you to please subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a new videos, you will be notified. And okay, now let's start. Now let us explore how to create a custom form style. So for us to do that, here on our screen, we have a sample of a QuickBooks Online um, customer account. So to start, let's just select the gear icon, then custom form styles. So here, as you open the custom form style tools, it display a list of the form styles that have already been created, plus the standard form template. But as of now, as you can see on our screen, we have only here the standard template since we haven't yet created a custom form style. So now, for us to create, let's just go here in the new style drop down arrow, click here, then click invoice, since we will be creating a customized template for the invoice. And as you can see here on the screen, the custom form tool has the three tabs, which are the design tab, the content tab, and the emails tab. And the design tab is already set by default. And in the design tab, to start, I start by giving the template a unique name. So here where you can put a unique name, so it's up to you, whatever you like to put a name for your template. And for you to change the default template, select here, dive in with a template. So as you can see here, we have different choices, 6 choices actually. The airy new, airy classic, and as you can notice here on the right side of the screen, every time you click different templates, so this is how the templates looks like. So we have the airy new, this is how it looks like, airy classic, modern, fresh, bold, and friendly. So it's up to you whichever of these templates you will going to use. And if you want to add a logo for your template, just click this plus icon, then click another one, and then click this plus icon again, and you just have to select a logo that you want for your template. For example, I would like to use this logo of mine. So let's just wait for it to process. Okay, so when you're done, just select save. Okay, so now here is our logo. And to modify how and where the logo appears on the form, you can use here the size and the placement options. So for the sizes, we have here the small size. So as you can see, this is how it looks like when you choose the small size of the logo. For the medium and for the large. And for the placement, so it is where you can place the logo in your template. So our logo is already placed here on the upper right side of the template. If you want it to be in the center, just select center, or on the left side. So for me, I would like it to be in the right side corner. And if you want to um, change the colors of the template, you have many choices here. So you can just select any colors that you want. So every time you click on each colors, it automatically changes here on the right side of your screen. And when you want to change the font styles and the font sizes, simply click this one. And we have here different font styles. For font styles, we have the Arial Unicode MS. When you click this one, automatically it changes this way, and this how it looks like. Courier, so that's how it looks like. Helvetica, and the Times New Roman. So it's up to you whichever font style you want. And also the sizes, we have the 8 point. So this is how small 8 point is, the 10 point, and also the 12 point. Okay, and after that, if you want to review and edit the printing options, just click this one. When in doubt, print it out. So here you can edit edit this section. And once you're ready, you can move on to the content tab to edit more details of the template. So here, the content tab. So it says here, when you're ready to edit, begin on the right. Just click on the pencils. You'll see them in white. So here is the pencil. When you want to edit anything here on your template, you can just simply click the pencil. So here, so we can see the information that we can edit, like the business name. So the business name, you can see it here in the header, the upper left side of your template. So if you want to edit this one or to change this one, then you can simply change this setting. Then if you want to add the phone number of the business, simply input the phone number here. And if you want it to be seen in your template, just check this box. But if you don't want, just uncheck, or just simply don't put any information in the phone section. And also for the email. So here, this information, you can see it up here on the left side corner of your template. And if you want to add an address, so here, or the website. And for the form, here is the form names. It named invoice. So you can see the name invoice here on the center um, center uh, center of your template. And also the form numbers, if you want your form numbers to be displayed on your template, just check the box. You can see it here. So there you go. And also for the display, as you can see here, the due date is already checked. So let's see the due date. So here is the due date on the left side corner of the template. And if you want to include also the shipping, you can simply check this one, and ta-da, here is the shipping information, the date, the ship via FedEx, and the tracking number. So your customer would know this important information. But if you don't want, just simply uncheck this one. And when you're ready, when you're done with this editing section, you can simply um, move next to your email tab if you want to edit this section. So here, how your invoice appears in email. So this is the images you can see here. So this is how it looks like whenever you send an email to your customer. So this setting applies to all form styles. So you can choose whether of these two, whether you want it in full details. So in full details, so this is how it looks like. You can see here all the information from your invoice that you have made. But if you want it to be in a summarized details, simply click this one, and this is how it looks like. And the PDF attached, this means that you want to include a PDF file on your email, but if you don't want, simply uncheck this one. And for the standard email section, you can edit the email for your customer in every invoice. You can edit the subject. So here is the subject. You can see it up here on the left side corner of your screen, here on this part. And also here the use greeting section. This is the greeting. So this is the greeting part. If you want it to be included on your email, you can just simply check the box. But if you don't want, just simply uncheck this one. But if you want it to be included, check this one again. And this is how you will going to address your customer, whether you want it to be blank or to, or dear customer, to customer. So this is how it will appear, whether you want it to be in their full name, their first and last name, their title, like Mr. Wang, Mrs. Jones, or just like or you just want it to be in the first name, or the company name, or the display name. So it's up to you. So, and also this is the message for your customer. If you want to edit this one, you can simply edit this one. And this is where you can see your message for your customer. And also for the reminder email, let us check this one here. You can also edit this one for your reminder. You can also use the greeting for your address, how you will going to address your customer, the name of your customer, and also the message for your customers. So that's it. So when you're done, you can just simply click this one, the done tab. Okay, so that's it. Okay, let's refresh this one. Let's see if the one that we've created will be seen in the custom form style tool of QuickBooks. Okay, so there you go. So here is the invoice template that we just did a while ago. So here also you can see here the edit section. If you want to edit it, you can simply click this one. So there you will it will bring you back to the template that you have created. Then just click this done. But if you want to make any necessary action, just click the drop down arrow here if you want to preview the PDF that you sent to your customer. So this is how the PDF looks like. And also if you want to rename the template that you have made, so you can simply put the new name for your template. And if you're done, just click OK. And if you want, okay, sorry for this one. And but if you want, here, what happened? Okay, oh sorry, it hanged. And also after you rename, if you want to delete this one, you can simply delete. Or if you want to make this template a default template, just select make default. Okay, so that's it. You have already created a custom form design for your template. That's all. Thank you for watching.